morning, Mr. Manager.
Hey, I just gotta put the finishing touch on my new desk. Love you, Pop.
Yo, dog!
Sykes!
All right, partner, let's see what you can do.
Sykes and Oscar's Whale Wash is now open for business. Yo, E, B, let's get this party bumpin'! Yo, yo!
Is he gonna be on the wheels of steel?
Yo, Christina, Missy, how about we have a little Oscar-licious fun?
Small tuna fish, I'm one big catch.
You might not ever get rich.
Warm it up. Oscar warming it up.
Let me tell you, it's better than digging a ditch.
Look at here.
Then tell me right.
Oh, Johnny's at home. My
Come on, we start on maybe a couple months.
What's up, Jimbo? Let it go.
Hey, Angie. Sorry, Pop and I are late, but we brought some new customers.
Hey, how you doing?
Wow.
Okay, guys, come on in.
No, snap it. You're not snapping it.
I'm snapping it.
It's okay, a lot of great whites can't do it, yo.
Yo,
Yo, what's up?
what's up with what?
Yo.
Hey, you say yo one more time and I'm gonna yo you.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'll pinch your high.
All right.
Check me out. Hey, you think this is funny? What am I, a clown to you?
Right away. Sharks in
Keep
the
up
water
with me,
make
don't
their
let me
jaws
lose you,
lock. When I
'cause you're
swim
not
to the
losing.
rim, I'm too high. Y'all can make your best, y'all small tuna fish, I'm one
In your
big catch.
face.
Bow down, player, cause this right here
what you
will
got?
be your worst
You don't want none of
nightmare.
this.
Work that, pop back, hurt that, turn this sucker, baby, on the surface. 9 to 5, I gotta keep that fat stack coming. That's why I
Working at the car wash. Come on, walk it, baby, walk it, sit down. The car wash. The car wash. Come on, walk it, baby, walk it, sit down. The car wash. Working at the car wash. So come on. Now keep it coming. So you may not ever get rich, but
a Shark Tale exclusive.